Okay, this question is also page 344, question number 16. And in this problem it says Zach has $20.25 in nickels and quarters. The number of nickels is 33 less than the number of quarters. How many does he have of each? Now here again I set up my let statement. Let X equal my nickels. Now I'm going to have Y equal my quarters. And you're going to see where I wrote here the key sentence that really helps me with my coming up with my second equation. And where it says the number of nickels is 33 less than the number of quarters. Well, my first equation is going to be from the values. So I know that a nickel's worth 5 cents. So I have 0.05x, the number of nickels, plus 0.25y is going to equal the value of $20.25. Now for my second equation, it comes from where I said this key sentence. The number of nickels is 33 less than the number of quarters. Okay, so the number of nickels, X, is 33 less than the number of quarters. So I have my number of quarters minus 33. Because again, it's saying that whatever I have in quarters, I'm going to have 33 less of them, and that will equal my nickels. So my equation, my two equations will look like this. Now again, this problem is set up for me easiest for me to use substitution method. So I'm going to take this here and substitute it in place of X. So I will have 0.05 times y minus 33 plus the 25 cents at y and the 20.25. Now again, I'm going to multiply this by 100 just so that I can eliminate my decimals. You don't have to do this, but this way I will have, it becomes, the equation look like this. And I just find it easier not to work with the decimals. And now we just continue to solve the problem, much like what you've seen before. Okay, so that tells me then that I have 73 quarters. And if I go back to this statement here, and if I substitute in place of y, I'm going to substitute the 73. I get 40, and that tells me that I have 73 quarters and 40 nickels. Again, it really helps one to set up a let statement when doing equations, and then like I said, then identifying the key sentence that a lot of times will help you get that second equation, which is sometimes the hardest one to come up with.